everyone, today we will be reviewing fund performance details. Just below the trading track record you can find a link for more detailed information. Click here. Once you click on this link, you will find a page with some links. So for example, Crypto Manager has two funds, one in Bitcoin if you are using collateral Bitcoin on Deribit or on BitMEX, and on Deribit additionally you can use Ethereum as collateral. Our Ethereum fund is performing almost twice better than our Bitcoin fund. Here, for example, you can find a benchmark. What would be the difference running a fund with collateral Bitcoin compared to simply holding Bitcoin, buying and holding. So in this strategy tier sheet you can see the benchmark is Bitcoin against US dollar, and the strategy is our fund. And in 2.5 years, almost without 2 months, you can see that our strategy outperforms almost by 200% simply holding Bitcoin. Also you can find some interesting details of what kind of drawdowns to expect. I think it's very important to understand this before signing up for something like that, because you will have to, for example, stay 140 days having a drawdown of 50%, or maybe staying almost 3 months, 84 days, having a drawdown of 70%. This is expected. We have had such drawdowns, but we still outperformed Bitcoin in the long run. In 2020, when we had not as much data as now, strategy performed just a little bit worse than the benchmark, so holding Bitcoin was the same or even a little bit better. But our system learned and we gathered much more data, and in 2021 it outperformed significantly. And in 2022 it is still not doing as good as we expect, but I think until the year ends it will outperform Bitcoin as well. So this Bitcoin fund is not our best fund. The best fund is Ethereum fund, and I will show you a benchmark for Ethereum. So yeah, since 2020 Ethereum increased against US dollar about 1700%, so 17x, and our strategy, it did about 2600%, so 26x. Our market making strategy was super performing super well, and as you can see, in 2020 strategy outperformed by 60%, simply holding Ethereum. In 2021 by 270%, and this year it is basically even, a little bit worse. And yes, we had some big drawdowns. We had 75% drawdown in 2020, which lasted almost half a year. Not entirely, but pretty long. And we had another one in 2021 which lasted pretty long, but the strategy recovered each time. So it's really good to see things like to see how the strategy performs in longer periods of time, to have a perspective and not to panic in the first drawdown, and to trust the system. Additionally, you can find detailed positions and charts like here. So you can see how the balance of collateral changed over time, and the sharp drops you can see in each day how it changed. Also you can see what kind of positions the system has been taking on, and you can see here, for example, if you had under management about 35 Ethereum. You could have had about 70,000 position of long or about 90,000 position of short in December. So feel free to check these as well. It helps to familiarize with your strategy and to have higher conviction when the market is not moving as you expect, and just to have a broader perspective on what to expect in the long run, and be confident, not to panic, and trust the system. So yeah, this is all for now. Additionally, we have benchmarks against S&P 500 and against NASDAQ, but these are not as you can see, it's like 2,600% against 56%. So it's even laughable to look at these charts, not as informative. Yeah, feel free to check this, and that's it for this video.